2027 Opel Crossland arrives as a bold evolution of one of the most practical compact crossovers in the market, blending modern design, advanced technology, and everyday usability into a package that feels more premium and refined than every days before. From the very first glance, the new Crossland makes a confident statement with its updated front fascia, featuring a sharper interpretation of Opel's signature visor design. The grille seamlessly integrates with the sleek LED headlights, giving the front end a futuristic and cohesive appearance. The sculpted hood and redesigned bumper add a sense of strength, while subtle chrome accents and a wider stance enhance its road presence. Moving along the side profile, the Crossland retains its compact yet muscular proportions, with clean character lines running from front to rear, emphasizing motion, even when the car is stationed. The new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 17 to 19 inches depending on the trim, add a sporty touch, while the contrasting roof option continues to be a stylish highlight for buyers who want a more personalized look. The rear, the 2027 Crossland receives updated LED taillights with a distinctive lighting signature that makes it instantly recognizable at night. The tailgate design is cleaner and more modern, with a repositioned badge and subtle design tweaks that give it a more premium feel. The overall exterior redesign strikes a perfect balance between sophistication and ruggedness, making it equally suitable for urban commuting and weekend adventures. Step inside, and the improvements become even more noticeable. The cabin of the new Crossland has been completely reimagined to offer a more driver-focused and technologically advanced environment. High-quality materials are used throughout, with soft-touch surfaces on the dashboard and door panels, along with refined stitching details that elevate the overall feel. The centerpiece of the interior is the new dual-screen setup, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a larger infotainment touchscreen that supports the latest connectivity features. The system is faster, more intuitive, and seamlessly integrates with smartphones through wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The user interface is clean and customizable, allowing drivers to access navigation, media, and vehicle settings with ease. Physical buttons have been minimized, but essential controls remain for convenience, ensuring that the system is both modern and user-friendly. The steering wheel has been redesigned with a sportier look and improved ergonomics, featuring touch-sensitive controls that enhance functionality without being distracting. Comfort has always been a strong point for the Crossland, and the 2027 model takes it to another level. The seats are more supportive and come with improved cushioning, making long drives more enjoyable. Higher trims offer heated and ventilated seats, along with premium upholstery options that add a touch of luxury. Your passengers benefit from increased legroom and headroom thanks to clever interior packaging and a slightly extended wheelbase. The flexible seating arrangement remains one of the Crossland's standout features, with sliding rear seats that allow users to prioritize either passenger space, and quote, the boot space is generous for a vehicle in this segment, and with the rear seats folded, it becomes even more versatile, making it ideal for families and active lifestyles. Under the hood, the 2027 Opel Crossland, designed to meet the demands of modern drivers. The lineup includes updated turbocharged petrol engines that deliver a perfect balance of performance and fuel efficiency. These engines are paired with either a smooth shifting manual transmission or an advanced automatic gearbox that provides seamless gear changes. In addition, Opel introduces a mild hybrid variant that enhances fuel economy while reducing emissions, making it a more environmentally friendly option without compromising performance. For the first time, there are also strong rumors of a fully electric version joining the lineup, aligning with Opel's commitment to electrification and offering buyers a zero-emission alternative. On the road, the Crossland continues to impress with its refined driving dynamics. The suspension has been tuned to provide a comfortable ride over rough surfaces while maintaining stability and control during cornering. The steering is precise and responsive, making the car easy to maneuver in tight city spaces while also offering confidence at higher speeds. Improved sound insulation ensures a quieter cabin, allowing occupants to enjoy a more relaxing driving experience. Whether navigating busy urban streets or cruising on the highway, the Crossland delivers a balanced and composed performance that suits a wide range of driving conditions. Safety and driver assistance features have also been significantly upgraded in the 2027 model. The Crossland now comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced systems designed to enhance both safety and convenience. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking easier than ever. The addition of semi-autonomous driving capabilities in certain trims further highlights Opel's focus on innovation and driver support. These features work seamlessly together to provide peace of mind, whether you are commuting daily or embarking on longer journeys. Another notable aspect of the new Crossland is its focus on sustainability. Opel has made significant efforts to use more eco-friendly materials in the interior, including recycled fabrics and plastics, without compromising on quality or durability. The production process has also been optimized to reduce environmental impact, reflecting the brand's commitment to a greener future. This approach not only benefits the environment but also appeals to a growing number of consumers who prioritize sustainability in their purchasing decisions. In terms of value, the 2027 Opel Crossland positions itself as a strong contender in the competitive compact SUV segment. It offers a compelling combination of style, technology, comfort, and efficiency at a price point that remains accessible to a wide audience. With multiple trims and customization options available, buyers can tailor the Crossland to suit their preferences and budget. Whether you are a young professional looking for a stylish and practical daily driver, a small family in need of a versatile and safe vehicle, or someone seeking a compact SUV. As the automotive landscape continues to evolve, the 2027 Opel Crossland stands out as a forward-thinking model that embraces change while staying true to its core strengths. It successfully blends innovation with practicality, offering a driving experience that is both enjoyable and efficient. We're viewers of Drive Future. This is a car that represents the next step in compact SUV design, combining cutting-edge technology with everyday usability in a way that feels both exciting and accessible.